Welcome to this classic car showcase. Today we are exploring one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time, the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. This car is more than just metal and wheels. It is a symbol of American engineering, style, and freedom. In this video we will take a complete walk around, showing you every angle, the front, the interior, the side, and the rear. We'll take our time so you can truly appreciate every detail of this legendary car. Starting at the front, the 1967 Camaro makes an immediate impression. The wide grille dominates the front end, giving the car a strong and confident look. The grille lines are simple but purposeful, making the front feel clean and bold. The round headlights on either side are classic and elegant. They shine with clarity and balance, giving the Camaro a perfect symmetry. The hood stretches long and low, hinting at the power that lies beneath. Even when standing still, the car looks fast, almost as if it's ready to leap forward. Chrome accents outline the grille and lights, adding a touch of sophistication to the aggressive design. The Chevrolet emblem at the center proudly represents the brand and the history behind it. From this angle, you can see why the Camaro became an instant classic. Take a moment to observe the small details and the lines, the curves, the subtle shapes. All of them work together to make the front view unforgettable. Now let's step inside the Camaro. The interior is driver-focused, designed to make you feel connected to the car and the road. The dashboard is clean and simple. Classic round gauges show the speed, engine RPM, fuel, and other essentials. They are easy to read, but they also give a retro charm that modern cars rarely achieve. The steering wheel is large and firm, giving the driver complete control over the vehicle. Every turn, every motion is precise, giving you a true driving experience. The seats are supportive and comfortable, but they also remind you this is a muscle car. You feel planted, connected, and ready to drive at any moment. Look at the small details inside, the chrome trim, the textured knobs, the classic shifter. All of it gives you a sense of mechanical purity. There are no digital screens, no driver aids, no distractions. Just you, the car, and the road. Take a moment to imagine sitting inside, hearing the engine, feeling the vibration through the pedals, and experiencing the Camaro as it was meant to be driven. From the side, the 1967 Camaro reveals its muscle car proportions. The long, low body gives it a stretched, athletic stance. The smooth curves flow seamlessly from front to rear, making the design look dynamic even when parked. The wheel arches sit perfectly over the tires, adding to the aggressive yet balanced look. The lines along the door and fender are subtle, but they enhance the sense of motion. The side mirrors, the chrome trim, the small details on the window edges, all of them combine to create an elegant, sporty, and timeless profile. Standing at the side, you can fully appreciate how the Camaro was designed not only for performance, but also to look beautiful from every angle. Finally, let's look at the rear of the Camaro. The rear is simple, bold, and powerful. The taillights are wide and distinct, a signature feature of the 1967 Camaro. They shine brightly and are instantly recognizable, even from a distance. Chrome details along the bumper and exhaust tips add a classic finishing touch. The dual exhaust hint at the engine's power, reminding you this car is built to perform. From the back, the car looks planted, muscular, and confident. The lines of the body flow perfectly into the rear, completing the overall aesthetic. Watching this car drive away, you notice the strong presence it commands. A perfect combination of style and power that has lasted for decades. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a timeless classic. From the front to the interior, from the side to the back, every detail has a purpose. Every line, curve, and chrome accent tells a story of American muscle, design, and passion. Even today, decades after it first hit the streets, this car continues to impress, inspire, and attract car enthusiasts around the world. Thank you for joining this full walk around of the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro.